1986 Pontiac Grand Prix Brougham. A lot of people don't even know that that existed. This car is Arctic white with a gray cloth interior. One of the things that was unique to the Brougham was the extra chrome work, and you can see that on the headlight bevels in the front end of this car. Power steering, power brakes, 700 R4 transmission. This is an AC car, but the AC is not currently operable. It's not blowing cold air anyways. Again, if you have any questions or you have, especially about repairs or anything that you would like to have done to the vehicle, just by all means contact one of our sales associates, 507-386-1726. You can also see an abundance of still photos, including up underneath as they get it on a rack, and detailed photos of the interior as well. All of that on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. You know, the body is in a relatively good shape. Look at these T-tops. Again, any questions? You want to talk to a sales associate? You want to find out if this particular vehicle is eligible for financing or extended warranty? They'll talk to you about all that stuff, man. Give them a call, 507-386-1726, or visit us online at uniqueclassiccars.com. There was only about 4,800 of the Broughams made. And there's some cool stuff. One of the things that stood out to me right away was Pontiac at that time was moving to a more aggressive steering wheel, but with this particular model, they kept that traditional 3-spoke with the emblem right in the center. Give you a look at the interior. Again, this is what you'd expect from a car in 1986 that actually was driven. Power locks, windows. Again, the power seat, our techs did know, is not currently operational. But these are all things that our sales guys can talk to you about getting fixed and what it might cost. But you can see, the additional chrome that makes this car special. And it is. The fact that it's existing in here as a G-body, to me, makes it special. So, tell you what, let's get in, start her up. Pops right off. We believe those are original miles, 68,306. Sounds great. Tell you what, I'm gonna pause this video for just a second. I'm gonna get the hood open, let you look under there, and check out that 5.0. And there you have it. As I mentioned, the AC is currently not blowing cold air, but it's relatively clean. Looks pretty good. Bring it on back. Again, any questions? 507-386-1726. Or check us out online at uniqueclassiccars.com. You'll find this vehicle and a host of others. Any questions you have, we can answer. Again, a 1986 Pontiac Grand Prix Brougham. Stick around after this video. Jason's going to take it out for a drive and he's going to bring you along. And again, any questions? 507-386-1726. So there you have it, a 1986 Pontiac Grand Prix Brougham. Give our sales associates a call. They'd be glad to have a conversation with you. 507-386-1726. Or visit us online at uniqueclassiccars.com. Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1986 Pontiac Grand Prix. This is an automatic right here on the column. We've got power windows, we've got glass T-tops, pillow top cushion seats. So kind of a luxury sport coupe, if you will. Nice throttle response in this car. The horn is working. It's an automatic on the column, so it's easy to drive. Stereo actually sounds quite good. We have an equalizer with 5 bands right there from the factory. Cassette I have not tested, but FM is working well. Cruise control works. Our oil pressure is 40. The fuel gauge reads a little less than a quarter of a tank. The volts are charging over 14 volts, as they should. On the gauge. The temperature a quarter of the way up looks like about 160, possibly still warming up. Very comfortable car. Look at that wood grain. It's built into the steering, the dash, the doors. Kind of the color of luxury in 1986. I'm waiting for one more car. Almost went. All right, let's wait for him and then go. Great power steering. Corners as you would expect. Love the glass T-tops. Nice rumble comes out the back of this car when you give it some throttle. It's a very windy day today in Minnesota, so I wouldn't expect to have zero wind noise. There's a little bit. Very nice. Straight lines on this 86 Pontiac Grand Prix. Check out all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.